Ever wonder why some people seem to build habits effortlessly while others struggle to make even the smallest changes stick? What if I told you the secret isn't willpower or motivation, it's science? And today, I'm going to show you how habit stacking can help you rewire your brain and create lasting change. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why this technique works and how to use it to upgrade your life. Hi, I'm Mike, and welcome back to the channel where we help you build better habits, improve productivity, and transform your life. Today, we're diving into the fascinating science behind habit stacking, a method popularized by James Clear in his best-selling book Atomic Habits. This isn't just a self-help trend, it's a proven strategy grounded in psychology and neuroscience. So, whether you want to exercise more, improve your morning routine, or simply drink more water, habit stacking can help. Let's break it down. Section 1. What is habit stacking? First, let's define habit stacking. The idea is simple. Instead of creating a new habit from scratch, you attach it to an existing habit you already do every day. It's like adding a new link to a chain, making your habits naturally flow together. For example, after you brush your teeth, you floss. After you pour your morning coffee, you write down your top 3 goals for the day. These small, intentional pairings make it easier to build new habits because you're working with routines your brain already recognizes. But why does this method work so well? To answer that, we need to look at the psychology of habits. Section 2. The habit loop. Habits are built through something called the habit loop. It's a concept first introduced by Charles Duhigg in The Power of Habit. It consists of 3 parts. Part 1. The cue. This is the trigger that starts the behavior. Part 2. The routine. This is the habit or behavior itself. Part 3. The reward. This is the benefit or satisfaction you get from completing the habit. For example, brushing your teeth is triggered by the cue, which is waking up. The act of brushing is the routine, and the reward is a fresh, clean feeling in your mouth. Habit stacking leverages this loop by using an existing habit as the cue for a new one. Instead of trying to create a brand new habit loop from scratch, you're piggybacking on a loop that already exists. This makes the process feel seamless and natural. Section 3. The role of neural pathways. Now let's get into the neuroscience. Habits are stored in a part of your brain called the basal ganglia, which is responsible for routine behaviors and automatic actions. When you repeat an action over time, your brain creates a neural pathway, making it easier to perform that action in the future. By stacking habits, you're essentially strengthening and expanding these pathways. Your brain sees the 2 habits as one continuous action, which reduces the effort required to start the new habit. Over time, this becomes automatic. Section 4. Why habit stacking is so effective. Here's why habit stacking works so well. Number 1. It reduces decision fatigue. You don't have to decide when or where to perform the new habit, it's built into your routine. Number 2. It uses momentum. Your existing habit provides a built-in cue, making it easier to get started. Number 3. It leverages familiarity. By tying a new behavior to something you already know, the transition feels natural. It's like a train. Once the train is moving, adding another car is much easier than starting a new train altogether. Section 5. How to start habit stacking. Now that you understand the science, let's talk about how to actually use habit stacking in your life. You need to follow these 3 simple steps. Step 1. Make a list of your current habits. Write down everything you do daily, like brushing your teeth, making coffee, or checking your phone. These are your anchor habits. Step 2. Identify a new habit you want to build. Maybe you want to meditate, drink more water, or practice gratitude. Choose something small and specific. Step 3. Use the habit stacking formula. The formula is, after the existing habit, I will add a new habit. For example, after I brush my teeth, I will floss. Or another example is after I brew my coffee, I will journal for 5 minutes. Section 6. Common challenges and how to overcome them. Of course, no method is perfect. Here are a few challenges you might face and how to overcome them. Challenge number 1. Forgetting your new habit. Use visual reminders, like sticky notes or phone alarms, to reinforce the cue. Challenge number 2. Losing motivation. Start small. Focus on habits that take less than 2 minutes to complete, like drinking a glass of water. Challenge number 3. Breaking the chain. Missing a day doesn't mean failure. What matters is getting back on track. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Still wondering how to apply this to your life? Imagine this: every morning, after you pour your coffee, you write down 3 things you're grateful for. After brushing your teeth, you floss. After you check your email, you take a deep breath and stretch for 2 minutes. These tiny actions, stacked together, can completely transform your day. You ready to see how habit stacking can change your life? If you're ready to take your habits to the next level, check out my other video, 5 common habit mistakes you're making and how to fix them. It's packed with examples and actionable tips to create a routine that sets the tone for your day. Remember, small changes lead to big results. Start stacking your habits today, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you see progress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs help building better habits. And let me know in the comments, what's the first habit you're going to stack? I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.